What was the "I'm fired, aren't I" moment you experienced or witnessed? When I was a kid, there was a van that used to come and pick us all up from school and take us to daycare. One day, all the daycare kids loaded up onto the van, and the driver told us that we weren't going to daycare. We were going to her house. Evidently, her 12-year-old daughter had been instructed not to board the school bus that day, but to instead take the daycare van. Despite the instruction, she chose to disobey and boarded the school bus regardless. Her mom was pissed and wanted to meet the school bus at their house to catch her daughter. So, while she sat waiting for an hour for the bus to arrive with her daughter, we got to play on her trampoline in the backyard, while all of our parents were trying to figure out why our van hadn't ever gotten to the daycare. Eventually, she ushered us into the van